Okay, see, yesterday I have created for what login page. So today I'll be creating for home page. Okay, I'll create as much as I can till the class is over. Rest you guys have to create yourself. Okay, so let's copy all this thing because we will be using this in the home page also. Done. But here the URL will change, right? Here I'll be URL will change here. Why? Because it's a different URL. Now let's say this one is written by some other tester because every tester will not be written by a single tester, right? It will be written by different testers. So let me, it is created by, let's say, Sunil. Okay, then its created date is 19th June. So maybe it is date of review is, let's say, 29. Okay, now it is reviewed by 30. Okay, the project logo will be same because it is always same only. Now next what I can do is I have to copy this one. This one I need anyways. I can let me copy this. Okay. Then put that to a merge cell. Then okay. Copy this. This one merge. Okay. So it will be home page. Okay. Now what I need to verify? First I'll be verifying. Let's say this one. First, I'll be verifying the dribble logo. Okay, if I click on that also, it is a link. Don't mistake that this logo has nothing to do. If I click on that means it will open something. So first what I have to verify is if I click on the dribble logo, it is opening me the company introduction page. Okay, this is the company introduction page. Okay, let me write that first discuss for that. Verify the dribble logo is working.
I think I have one question.
Yeah.
So when we are clicking on the web elements and then other landing pages are open, we also need to test those landing pages are right. So for testing, writing test cases for the landing page, that should be in a different sheet one, right? Different sheet.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now verify table log is one. So what you need to verify here? Click on the dribble logo. In the then okay, production page. Okay. This should be blank, nothing needs to be have. Then yes, this should have one step. What will be the step? They are. So let me merge it only because I am having one step only. So rid of okay. Now this all will be black. Now made of the value related. So what is the expected result here? That company introduction page should open. Well, okay. So this is my expectation. Clear? The first test case what I write, bro.
Yes, Pratik.
Yes, it's clear.
Now second test case. Just copy paste. Okay. Now what I need to verify? Verify the finder designs designer search. Because if I click on designer search, it will give me some else, and if I click on postage of, it will give me something else. So what I need to verify? I need to verify the designer search. Okay, designer search page. Verify the so here basically I need two steps. So what I need to do is so I will skip here. Part say so is there. Verify the designer search is working. So, okay. Now what I need to do? Verify the designer search link is working. So clicking on the designer search link. Then designer search. Okay. Now, first I need to click on what? I cannot directly click on the designer logo. So first I have to click on find designers. Click on the find designers drop down. Click on find designer drop list. Okay, then second, click on the designer search option. Okay, then now these are the two options. Then what I need to do? Designer search page should open. Search page should open. Next, I'll be writing the third test case. So what I'll be modifying here? Verify the post your job. Just look at post your job. Post job. From the find designer drop list, they can post your job also. Then okay, this is the third test case. Now let's write the other test case. So what is the next one? Inspiration. Okay. So for
Wait,
inspiration,
wait, Prateek. So when we are clicking directly on the find, what is that?
find designer
Find
drop list.
designer. Yeah. So then also there is a landing page.
Okay. Then that also we need to write.
Yeah, right.
Uh,
No?
So here then it will be not click here. It will be hover. We are doing mouse hovering here, right? Not clicking it.
Yeah, yeah, that one.
So so I need to write for China search also. So what I can do here, I that find designer, right? Find designer. Now, next test case. So what should be the my next test case? My test case is clicking on inspiration.
So sorry, Pradeep, I have one more question.
Yeah,
Is there cannot be the one negative scenario came like we are just hovering over the find designer and we are not clicking and the landing page is opening. That should not be allowed, right? Or this is a bug or
no, this is a bug. This is not a negative scenario. Negative scenario, you cannot. How you do that negative scenario? In, in positive scenario only that is covered. If this happens in the positive scenario, that is a bug only. When
okay,
you are
that is a
hovering
bug
over
that
it,
cannot be the test case.
how? Which that is not the expectation, right? How it will be a test case? That is
Okay,
a
so
bug
in the
only.
test case, whatever the expectation should came according to that we should write.
No, see, just a minute. So you cannot have a negative test case that I'm hovering over it, it is doing something else. That is a bug only. Negative test
Okay,
case means that should be working in your application. Now, if I search something which is present in this application that is opening, that is a positive test case. And the application will also behave that way. And if I search something absurd which is not present, then the search will not show me something. That is happening in the system. That is negative test case. Means which doesn't happens in your system that how you can tell it as a negative test case. It is not a test case, it is a bug.
okay, okay,
Okay,
got it.
that need to happen only. If it doesn't happen, then how it's a discussion? It's a bug.
Okay, right. Like in the negative test case, we can write those things that should be done, right? That should be done. Like if we are searching
Ah,
and we are not searching, and there should be right, like yeah,
see,
you're
it's a
not searching
simple.
something.
Wait. See,
Mhm,
let me tell you. If I'm searching something which is present in this application, if I search which it
mhm.
will appear here, and if I search which is not present in the application, it will show that it didn't found anything. So if I search something outside which is not present and it tells it is not find something, that is a negative scenario. But that we are able to do in the application, right?
Yeah,
But you are
yeah.
telling a scenario which we cannot do in an application. That is not a test case. That is a bug.
Okay, okay. I got it, Pratik.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
Gautam, you are also getting right.
Yes. If we found a bug, what should we do?
That will learn in the next classes. We
Okay.
found a bug, how to log it, how to do what. We'll do it in a tool also. So don't worry, that will learn. Just
Okay.
now focus on test case creation. This is the basic and the most important thing you'll be doing as a functional tester. So if you at least you should write the test case. Now, whatever till what I can write, I'll write it here. I'll share the file with you guys. You need to complete the test case for the whole home page. At least one page you write. You will have some hands-on and you will have some idea. If you write nothing means then how you will be I mean having something. At
Okay.
least one page you write. I will expect you to create an account, go to the pages and write everything. I will expect you to write the entire test case for this application. This is basically, I will say, your what assignment. Because if you go on writing the test case for this entire application, it will be somewhere around 9,000 test case. So not expecting you to write everything. But at least you write for some of the scenarios completely, some of the basic scenarios. At least that I can expect. Because if you write test case here means when you join or when you work in practically, you will know it will help you. Okay.
Okay.
Because see what as a functional tester you are expected to write the test case simple. Whatever we are learning till now, it is for an interview. See, no one in practically, no one will ask you what is this equivalence partitioning, what is your boundary value analysis, what is this, what is that. They will not ask you. Okay. In practically when you are working, you will be writing test case, executing it, logging the defect. This three thing you will be doing. Okay. or let's say some SQL query may run sometime it required. But why we're reading all these things? First, in the course, you could have just included this thing. We're reading all these things because you need to be interview ready also. Because our purpose is not just to make you industry ready that you'll be able to work. You need to be interview ready because you need to clear the interviews also, right? So for that reason, we are also learning all these concepts, all these SPLC, SPLC, all these things. Okay. Now, next is what discuss. I've written for designer, find designer. Then inspiration. I have 6 them after 5 weeks. 3, 4. Okay, I have matrices. Very high. Okay, very high. Inspiration is what? The inspiration is what? Simple, do the same thing. Inspiration. Okay, done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the next thing? Inspiration. Again, you have to go to the process. If I click on process, yeah. So process are also coming. So to click on the process also. Clear everyone? So
Yeah.
what you need to do now is you need to write a test case for everything. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so for this, what you need to write? You need to write, let's say, search for jobs. It's a valid scenario. So jobs will come. So this is a positive scenario. So what is the negative scenario in right? We'll write for, let's say I'll search something outside and click on search. Still something is coming, but nothing related to our search result. Some random results are coming. But if I search on jobs, the search result is related to what we are searching. Okay. So this is not sure which what is the requirement. So, but yes, if you see jobs, you can see some junior product designer, all these things are coming. Find your dream job means the search result is related to jobs. Job search is related to, but if I search some random things, I get a search result which is not related to my search text. So this is the negative scenario. So instead of giving a error message, they are giving some random search result. So that is also a negative scenario for me. Correct? Understood or not? See, every application differs from requirement to requirement. So if a particular application, if you search some absurd thing, it give you an error message, your search result is not valid, doesn't mean the other will also give you the same thing. The other may give you some other requirement, depending on the requirement. So the requirement of this application is that if I search something absurd thing, it will give me some absurd search result, which is not related to my search text. So that is the negative scenario for this. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Clear. Yeah, clear.
So I want you guys to at least write the test case for this page. But if you have completed the writing the test case, what you can do, go to login, create an account, okay, create some account here. And after you go inside that, you get some pages, write a test case for that also. So just try to write as many test cases as you can. It is good for you. Because,
And one
see,
more question, Pratik, sorry.
yeah, go.
You told me that whenever we write a test case if it is for any element, before every test case, we also write about the login first. You told me in the, I
Don't
think, the
wait.
automation class.
Won't
Mhm.
get won't mix automation with this one.
Okay, so
Only.
that thing should be done in the
Even
automation only.
why you are getting confused here is you are mixing the subject. Thing is that now I'm writing for home page. I'll clear your doubt. No problem. See, I'm
Mhm.
writing here for home page. So I am just verifying the home page scenario. But let's say my scenario is that I want to place a order from, or let's say this is something I'm creating a dribble is what is design, right? I'm creating a design for this job posting. So
Mhm.
in that scenario, when you are writing the test case for that scenario, obviously you log in, right? Without login, how will you? You log in, then only you'll be clicking something, then you'll be creating. That will consist 4 or 5 pages. A single page is test case. It will not be a only from single page you can write the test case. If I will, let's say if I want to create a, just go for Amazon. Okay, let me make you understand.
Okay,
Now,
what I'm getting. So in the website, if something is allowed only if we are logging in into that, then we need to write the login every time.
obviously, if you whatever you do manually, if you are doing that activity after logging in, that should be your step only. Without how you omit that, without writing that, how you write that discussion. Everything, if you from opening the link till what you did till the end, that is your test case. Don't think that you'll omit some steps out of somewhere. No, you have to write everything. If you are logging in, that is also interesting. And if you are after logging in, let's say automatically, that is also interesting for you.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Both of you are also getting right. You're not asking any.
Mhm. each and everything which we are doing to login is written as a test cases. Is
Yes.
it?
Whatever scenario, let's say I give you a scenario. Let's say here I'm giving a scenario. There can be two things also. There you can here you can do either as a guest login, that means you not log in, or you can log in. Two things is there. If you log in, then you have to write the test case for login. So if I place an order for TV, then there will be two test cases. One is without login, that is a guest login I'm doing, and with login. So there will be two test cases. Okay. So let's say I place an order for TV, I open the home page. I don't do login, that is a guest login, I search for TV. Every step what I'm doing is a test step. I search for TV. That is that also one step test step for me for TV order creation scenario. Then I add to cart. That is also one test step. Then I go to the cart. That is also one test step. Everything, each and activity which you do, that is a test step. Understood?
Yes.